we have this equation, 3 times kx plus 13 equals 48 over 17x plus 36. In the given equation, k is a constant. The equation has no solution. What is the value of k? So keep in mind that when it says that you have a constant, that just means that's going to be some value, and you can choose that value to make it work for you. The equation has no solution, so let's talk about what that will look like when you have no solution. So I am going to go ahead and distribute the 3. Okay. Now the SAT loves special cases. And so in this one, when you have no solution, the way it's going to look here is you're going to end up with your coefficients should match, because when you go to solve it, if you subtract matching coefficients, that means your x values are just going to go away. They're going to zero out. So we want those to be equal to each other. And what will happen with no solution is that the constants over here, the numbers right here, are going to not be equal to each other. So if our coefficients match with our x's and we subtract from both sides to solve, those will zero out, and we'll end up with 39 equals 36, which is never true, so we have no solution. So all we have to do is go back and make that work. So we just have to choose a k value where 3k will be equal to 48 over 17. So we'll divide by 3, which is the same as multiplying by 1/3, and we get 48 over 51. We can divide these both by 3 to simplify, and you get 16 over 17. Oops, if it will write, there we go. Okay, so that's the answer to that one. Now, if you forgot to simplify it, the SAT is not going to count it wrong if you don't simplify, as long as you can fit the digits in. Like if it was 1,000 over 3,000, you can't fit that in, so you have to simplify that. But as long as you can fit the digits in the space you're given, then you don't have to simplify a fraction like that. But of course, Desmos will simplify it for you if you need it simplified. So, all right, that's all for this one.